Class 10 children, so today we will learn some advanced questions of chapter 8 matrices, page 820, question number 19. Given value of A is matrix 2 minus 6 2 0, B is minus 3 2 4 0, and value of C is matrix 4 0 0 2. Find X. As you know, A B C, we have the value of A B C, but you need to find matrix X. That means in this particular relation, in this particular question, like A B C we have X also here. So every matrix, like matrix A B C, we have the value of this quantity A B C, but we don't have the value of X, so we need to find the value of X. So solution starts here. Same thing what is given in the question, that we write A plus 2x equal to 2b plus c, that we write, and then respective value of A B C we put here. So value of matrix A is here, we put here, plus 2x, as no value of x, same we write, equal to 2 into value of matrix B, from here we write, plus c, value of matrix C we write here. Now as you can see, everything is known, only x is unknown. So what I did, I have made this 2x alone here. That means you all know the value which we need to find has to become alone by the end, and by the end you can see only x we have. That means that way we are going to find the value of x. And now this matrix 2 minus 6 2 0, in front here, in the front it is nothing, means there is plus. So if it will go that side, it will become minus. So you can see same matrix has come here, but this was positive matrix and here it came and became minus, because it has changed the side from left hand side to the right hand side. And here 2 3 the minus 6, 2 2 the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 0 the 0, that we wrote here. That means 2 got multiplied inside. And this 4 0 0 2, same thing we wrote here. This plus is here, and this minus, you know, it came from left side, so positive became negative. Now 2x equal to, now it's time to add as well as subtract. So let us start. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 4. So from here to here we got minus 2, again minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4, and minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Point to be noted here, children. 4 plus 0 is 4, and minus into minus became plus, so it became plus 6. So 6 and that 4 became 10. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 and minus 2 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now as we need to find the value of x, this 2 will, as multiplication comes and becomes divide here, but this is a number, this is a matrix, so you cannot put division sign here, but instead what we do here, you can say that outside this matrix there is positive as well as 1, nothing is visible, that means there is 1. So this 2 will come with and divide with 1. So this 1, now this 2 came and divided with 1, because 1 is not visible, but there is 1 here. But in the next step, this 2 will divide with everything, like minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Like this. Minus 4 if you divide by 2, it is minus 2. 10 if you divide by 2, it is 5. So that way I have written here. Now next question. Same question. Little bit different question, but same type. Here value of matrix A is given, and value of matrix B is given, and the question is, one relation is there, AX equal to B. Now write the order of matrix X. So you need to find, you have to write the order of matrix X. I will explain this question number 1, and number 2, find the matrix X. From here value of A and B is given, we have to find the value of X. Same like question number 1, we found the value of X, here also we have to find the value of X, but little bit different question. So number 1 question, what is the answer, that I will explain after some time. First I will start number 2. Solution, like we have AX equal to B. You can see in the question AX equal to B. So AX equal to B, and you can say value of A is from the question. Value of A you can see here, I have put the value of A here and into x, x is outside, x equal to value of B is 4, 5. You can see value of B is 4, 5. So respective value I have put, I will find the value of x. Now 4 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1, 4 sine 30 is 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2, if you cancel 2, 2 1s are 2, 1, 1, 2. So from here we got this into x equal to 4, 5. Now matrix 4, 5. Now very important point here, children, note down that to find the value of x, this is multiplying, this matrix is multiplying with x. So multiplication when changes the side becomes divide. But the rule is we can add matrix, we can subtract matrix, we can multiply matrix, but we cannot divide one matrix with the other. So in that case, what you do, you think that to find the value of x, the matrix x can, you don't know the value of x, you write x equal to matrix AB. Now you might be saying, sir, why you wrote 2 into 1 size? Why you did not write 2 into 2 size? That means ABCD. Why you wrote AB? Then let me tell you, children, 2 into 2 size multiplies with 2 into 1 size and gives the product as 2 into 1 size. Had there been 2 into 2 size here on the right hand side, here I would write ABCD. Let x equal to ABCD. But there is 2 into 2 size here and there is 2 into 1 size here. Definitely this x also will be 2 into 1 size, because 2 into 2 size into 2 into 1 size equal to 2 into 1 size. So this is 2 into 1 size. 2 into 1 size. That means 2 rows 1 column. So I wrote x as AB. Now same thing I write 2 1 1 2, same I write here, but in place of x I will write matrix AB because x is matrix AB. So in place of x I have put the value of x as AB and 4 5 is same. So this let is very important, children, because we cannot divide one matrix with the other matrix. Now it's time to multiply with this. 2 into A, 2A plus 1 into B, B. 1 into A plus 2 into B is 2B. That means this is 2 rows 1 column. That means this both multiplied and this value we got equal to 4 5. Now very important, by comparing. So we have compared here. Comparing means left hand side should be compared with right hand side. So 2A plus B equal to 4, A plus 2B equal to 5. Equation 1 and 2. Now to find the value of AB, we will use elimination method from class 9. You know. Now here I want to cancel B. So I am multiplying equation 1 with 2, equation 2 with 1. So after multiplication I got this particular result. 2 2s are 4A plus 2 into B. 2B plus equal to 4 2s are 8. Multiplying with 1 we get same. It's time to subtract. After subtracting we got minus minus minus, because to cancel same B we need plus minus, but we had plus plus. So by subtracting we got minus. Now this got cancelled. This is all about class 9, and as well as in the last previous video also few questions I have done in factorization regarding elimination method. 4A minus A, 3A equal to 8 minus 5, 3. A equal to 3 by 3. Therefore A equal to 1. A equal to 1. Putting the value of A in equation 1. Equation 1 is here. 2A plus B equal to 4. Now put the value of A as 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 comes this side. 4 minus 2. B is 2. Now I can say matrix X is AB and value of A is 1. Value of B is 2. So value of matrix X will be AB and value of AB is 1 2. This is our final answer. So these two types of question we have done. One more question I have discussed here, children, but in this question you can see here X is unknown and here Y is unknown. We have to find the value of X and Y. So in this case this is the relation given, A square equal to B. So value of matrix A square means put the value of A 2 times and multiply, because A square means A into A. So value of A into value of A equal to value of B. So after multiplying, this is our result. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3x plus x is 4x, and 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and this side same thing, keep on writing same thing because nothing to do. And after reaching to this position, here single matrix, here single matrix, we will compare, we will do comparing, like just now we had compared in last question. Like we have to find the value of x, so here is 4x and here is 16, so same position we can compare. Here is 9, 9, nothing to compare, 0, 0, nothing to compare, but I can say 4x equal to 16. So after comparing 4x equal to 16, x equal to 16 by 4, x equal to 4 is our answer. And here if I compare the y with 1, then it will be 1 equal to minus y. So 1 equal to minus y. So I can interchange and write minus y equal to 1. Therefore y equal to, this minus will shift that side and it will be minus 1. So y equal to minus 1. So we got the value of x as 4 and y as minus 1. So here we had to find the value of x and y, which is the part of, x is the part of matrix A, y was the part of matrix B. So all these questions are different from each other. Children, please go through my video very carefully, and this one more question I have done for you. Please copy down these all the question answers and do this question as homework. Very simple. Put the value of A 2 times and multiply, put the value of A and B and multiply, put the value of B 2 times and multiply, and then add all of them, you will get this answer. Thank you children for watching my video.